The term Uruguay Round is associated with an important world organization. Which one? So, it is associated with GATT, that is General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. Option B. Which one of the following is not a member of the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, that is OPEC? So, the members of this OPEC is Islamic Republic of Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arab and Venezuela. So, the one which is not is Brazil. Which of the following is not a principal organ of the UNO? So, the one which is not the principal organ of UNO is World Health Organization, as this is an independent body, whereas the 6 principal organs of UNO are General Assembly, the Secretary Council, the Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice and Secretariat. The prime purpose of WTO is to promote, WTO is World Trade Organization, is to promote trade liberation and multilateral trade, that is option D. Which international body benchmarks countries on the Global Grade Gap Index? So, the international body is World Economic Forum. Option A. Which indicators is or are used by the International Food Policy Research Institute to compute the Global Hunger Index report? So, the indicators that are used is undernourishment, yes it is used, child stunting, yes it is used, and child mortality, even this is used. So, the answer to this question is all of the above. Option D. We Cracku provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Cracku SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Which of the following country is not a member of BIMSTEC, that is BIMSTEC? So, the members of BIMSTEC are Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Thailand. So, the one which is not the member of BIMSTEC is China. Option B. The Gandhi Solar Park, that is GSP, was recently inaugurated in the headquarters of which international organization? So, it was recently inaugurated in the headquarters of UN, that is United Nations. Which of this country has been added in the BRIC, that is BRIC, that which stand for Brazil, Russia, India, China group in the emerging economics? So, primarily it was BRIC small s, now it is BRIC capital S and S represents South Africa. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a member of SAARC, that is SAARC? So, the one which are member of this is Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. So, the one which is not the member is Myanmar or Burma. Option C. UNDP report publishes every year the Human Development Index. Which of the following is not a criteria used to measure the Human Development Index? So, the criteria which is not used is human rights. Option D. Which of the following country is not a member of the Nuclear Supplier Group, that is NSG? So, the one who are member are Canada, Japan, France, West Germany, Soviet Russia, United Kingdoms and USA, United States of America. So, the one which is not the member is Iran. Option D. Amnesty International is an organization associated with which of the following field? We all must have heard about it. It is associated to protection of human rights. Which of the following country is not a member of Group 15, that is G15 developing countries? So, what are G15 developing countries? They are Algeria, Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Egypt, India, Indonesia, Jamaica, Kenya, Malaysia, Mexico, Nigeria, Peru, Senegal, Sri Lanka, Venezuela and Zimbabwe. So, the one which is not the member is Bolivia. Which of the following describes correctly the group of G7 countries, that is group of 7 countries? So, the one which describes is they are industrialized countries, that is option A is the correct answer. Permanent Secretariat to coordinate the implementation of SARC program is located at, so it is located at Nepal, Kathmandu. Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal. Which of the following is not a chief organ of United Nations organization? This is a similar question but with different option. So, as discussed earlier, all the three, that is B, C and D, are the chief organ but not International Labour Organization. Similarly to WHO, World Health Organization, even International Labour Organization is a different body. So, option A is the correct answer. We Cracku provide free mock test for SSC CPO exam. For that, you only need to Google search Cracku SSC CPO free mock test. Click on the first link and start the mock. After completing the mock, you get the complete detailed analysis with the solution and percentile for the mock. Which one of the following institutes publishes the report of World Economic Outlook? So, the one which publishes this is IMF, that is International Monetary Funds. Next question. TRIPS, that is TRIPS, that is trade related aspect of intellectual property right agreement is administered by. So, who administers this? This is WTO, that is World Trade Organization. Option C is the correct answer. The next and the last question. Which international organization recently passed a resolution of sports autonomy and sports as means to promote peace and development? So, the one who passed this is United Nations. Option C is the correct answer. So, hope you like it, and if you did, please like, share and comment to our channel. And yes, we also provide all the previous year paper of SSC exams like SSC CGL, CHSL, CPO, Steno and etc. with detailed solution, and the link is given in the description box below. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Thank you.